Going to bed. So when I went out to get my evening smoothie, I decided to go ahead and swing by the movie theater and watch a movie. I watched Battle for LA, Battle LA, or LA Battle, whatever it's called. Yeah, sad. I just wish Hollywood would just quit. I have to agree with the critics on that movie. Just constant camera shaking, explosions. I don't understand why America loves that stuff, though. Apparently, if you look at RottenTomatoes.com and you check out that movie, critics hate it, but the general public, the stupid people, love it. So I guess Hollywood isn't incredibly stupid, but I just don't understand. I'm embarrassed to be an American. I'm embarrassed to be a part of modern society sometimes, because it's just constant cliches out the wazoo. So many cliches in that movie. One thing that bugs me about modern Hollywood movies is that whenever there's an explosion or some big thing happening with something coming out of the ground, or usually with explosions though, lately they've been adding the sound effect that is basically this pitch changing growl. It's like what kind of explosion goes I started to count the number of times they did that in this movie, and I guess I lost count at about 25.
Look out!
I think you get the message. I don't get it. Like, I could understand it if it was a ship going down and there's bending steel, bending metal, and breaking wood, and just like things are just slowly. But if it's flying cement, where is the in flying cement? So tomorrow or some other time this week, I'm gonna go check out Rango, whatever it's called. Looking forward to it. That one actually has some decent critic ratings. Okay, hasta mañana.